What's happening, guys? Hello again and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this quick video, I am going to show you sourcing sites that are in the Chinese language. And for most of my students, obviously, they're probably not from China. So they're probably wondering why is Coach showing me these sites? I don't speak Chinese. I can't read the characters. Um, the reason I'm showing you these sites is because if you have a friend that is Chinese and can read the characters, can read Chinese, and speaks the language, then it is to your advantage to bring them over and have them help you do product research, because the deals that are on these sites are a lot cheaper for the exact same price from the exact same factory on Alibaba or on madeinchina.com or DHgate or global sources. If you have a friend who speaks Chinese and can help you, then use these sites. He can translate the information for you and translate the pricing. Then if you want, you can then take that information back to your site. Maybe you're dealing with Alibaba and a couple factories in Alibaba. You can use it as a negotiation tactic. You can tell them I was on 1688 or 1688.com and my friend who speaks Chinese was looking at your site on there, and your price is $3 less or $2 less or 50% less or 30% less. I want that price. Can I have that price, please? And they may give it to you. It's a great way to show people that you do your research. And then if there are students who speak Chinese, I do have a few students that actually are Chinese and are fluent, and that's their number one language. English is their second language. This may just be easier for them to use. So the three sites that I recommend are, first off, this one here, 1688.com. Okay, apparently that's the main one that most people use. The next one that I would recommend is hc360.com. Okay, and then the third one that I would recommend is ℸ𝕠𝕒𝕠𝕟.com. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.